everyone, today in this video we are looking at how to quickly post a course update and an announcement in Schoology to keep your iron project on track. First, you're going to go to your course, which you're going to click into your course. It'll default to the Materials tab, and we're going to find the Updates tab, which is right under Materials. So you'll go ahead and click that. It'll show a text box. So let's go ahead and type our announcement. Your final project is due July 1st, 2026. This is our announcement. And you can see at the top, we have a few options here. You can use the toolbar to bold your text. So if I wanted to bold the date, if I wanted to underline it so students know, maybe I italicize the final project so they know which assignment is due. You can also add bullet points, number items. You can also include a link there, link some of the text if you'd like. You can change the size of the text here. And then if you go down here, you can actually see another toolbar at the very bottom. If you hover over each of these icons, you'll see the different uses. So if you want to share a file with your update, you can click this icon and it'll prompt you to share a file. If you want to share a link, like a website link, you can add it there. If there's a specific resource that's already in your course that you'd like to remind students or teachers about, you can also add it here. And then there's also an option for audio and video recording. You can also add a poll if you want students or teachers to respond to a poll in your update. And then that's it. So then before we click post, something to ensure that the announcement sticks or is viewed at the very top of your course, you can click this drop down here and check the bell. And what this does is it turns your update into an announcement and it pins it at the very top of your course so students and teachers see it immediately. You can always come back in here and click edit and uncheck the bell if you know the update has passed and you just want to keep it in your updates tab. So we'll go ahead and check this and you'll click post. And what that will do is it'll show here, but then it will also show at the very top of your course. So this is just an announcement, and all students and teachers will see that. If you'd like to remove it, you can always click remove, and it won't show here, but it will continue to be here, so students can refer back to it. And that's how you add an update to your course.